तेरी मेरी लव स्टोरी में ने ट्रिंगल छे आ देख पापा मम्मी अने मैं
हमारा बच्चा है वो।
पैदा तो मैंने किया ने। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, सेटल डाउन प्लीज, सेटल डाउन। बच्चा पैदा करना बड़ा काम है, हर एक से नहीं होता। मैं हूँ इंडिया की फर्स्ट चाइल्ड मशीन, नो इमोशन, ओनली प्रोफेशन।
आप बच्चों की दुकान चलाते हैं।
उम्मीदों की दुकान जैस्मिन।
अरे करंट लग जाएगा।
करंट को करंट लगता है क्या?
कल आ जा, जोड़े से मिलवाती हूँ।
पागल हो गई है, किसी और का बच्चा पैदा करेगी। वो तो टेंशन ही न थी, 3 मिनट में ले जाएंगे। पैदा किया अने दिया। वी कॉल इट तीर निशाने पे।
हाँ, मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ।
वो भाग गई।
जब लगाव ज्यादा होता है ना तो घाव भी ज्यादा होता है।
मोहन लागे।
जब उसके पेट में था तो बेबी आपका कैसे?
सरोगेसी करवाई थी ना सर।
मोहन लागे मोहन तो से ऐसी कोई सूरत कर दे।
कभी कभी ने मिट्टी जड़ को पकड़ ली थी।
यार शमसे मखमल कर दे या पत्थर की मूरत।
आईना कैसे देखती है तू? सूरमा लगा के।
हम अपना बच्चा बेच नहीं रहे।
खरीदा था तो बेच भी सकते हो ने। अभी सुनी का आपने मेरी कहानी। आओ जो।
क्या करिए? क्या करिए? क्या हुआ?
बधाई हो बेन।
अबे क्या बधाई हो?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you heard the likes of Abbas Mustan. Well, I'm not with Abbas Mustan, but two duo directors, Siddharth and Garima, gracing ITV. Welcome to North America. Welcome to ITV, guys. A big night for you guys. Your movie, which was in the pipeline, in your thoughts, in your minds for a decade, has finally come to fruition. Man, I don't even want to use the word excitement. How nervous are you guys?
Yeah, it's like butterflies in the stomach, man. And I'm glad we are not, you refer to us as Abbas Mustan, glad we are not dressed in white today. Not dressed in white. So, yeah, but...
We're feeling extremely nervous, but extremely excited too, because we can't wait for the audience to watch this film, because we have given it all that we have. The color, the vibrance, the patakhaness that Sid and me have a little bit in our dialogue, in our songs, all of that is there.
Yeah, man, wow. But let me ask you something, something very completely different. What is your take on surrogacy?
Right.
I'll ask you both have a chance to answer.
Sure.
This is the stage of Miss World and Mr. World. I'm not just kidding.
Right.
But you have the chance to answer. And be very honest.
Sure.
Is it a blessing or is it a curse?
It's a wonderful blessing. Yesterday we screened the film to 100 surrogates, real life ex-surrogates in Anand. And I can't tell you the joy on their faces, the tears in their eyes, because surrogacy has been unfortunately banned in this country right now. I mean, the regulations...
No, it's not been banned.
It's the regulations become much stricter.
The commercial aspect. Because I did read the regulation, which came out in 2021.
Correct. So it's become tougher. The laws have become much tougher, and which takes away from the livelihood of these women, because, a woman has a right to do what they want with their body. Why not? So that's our take.
I used to have these debates when I used to go to school, and I'm feeling like I'm on a debate podium where, she says that surrogacy should not have been banned. It is a blessing to mankind. It's a blessing to women. It's a blessing to the husband as well. Well, anything you would like to say, because I want to see who wins the debate.
Right. So I just want to say that, we just have to let the Indian surrogates, the Indian parent has to learn to make them their own. If that happens, I don't think there's any need to make stricter regulations.
But that's what the law says, that it cannot be used for commercial purposes. There cannot be a financial element attached to.
As long as you acknowledge the emotion, you can attach the financial element.
Yeah, why not?
What about you, sir?
Yeah.
Same question to you. Is surrogacy a blessing or a curse?
It's a blessing and a curse, I would say,
Like
because
social media.
yeah, exactly. So blessing, yeah, absolutely, but like social media. So
Facebook से शादी भी होती है, divorce भी होता है.
right. So why blessing? I would say it because it builds so many houses, so many homes get built up by that, and so many women get benefited by it. They make money and their livelihood changes. So it's a curse because the government has intervened and made the laws so stringent that it's only biased towards the couple and not towards the surrogate mother who's giving birth. They are not taking care of the, it's not, there is nothing wrong in using your own body for a monetary benefit.
But the government has seen a flaw that it's been exploited. That's what your movie talks about.
The flaw had to be sorted, not an umbrella ban. That is not the solution.
I mean,
Like if you say ki, Gujarat is a dry state, I'll put an umbrella ban on liquor, then it should not be available in the grey market also.
Correct.
It gives birth to a whole new mafia, right?
Absolutely.
So that is the idea. If you can't regulate it, you will ban it. I mean, that's the understanding.
Agreed.
That's
Agreed.
not for us.
Agreed. And as you guys rightly know, this movie has nothing to do with. A lot of people are confused that hey, there's a movie that came out with Kriti Sanon and it was about Millie. This is a completely different chapter, a completely different a thesis, if I'm not
Absolutely,
mistaken.
because it encapsulates the journey of surrogacy in India. It's not a solo journey of a woman or a girl, because that misrepresented surrogacy. Like an unmarried woman can never be a surrogate mother. She has to have a child out of her own wedlock to become a surrogate. But Mimi was a virgin girl.
Was a virgin girl.
I mean,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, that's not legal in India.
Yeah. But so let me ask you something. You're more than welcome to join us. She was speaking to Karan Johar and Ekta Kapoor. They signed up for her next project. So she had to take this kalam. Yeah. And she's getting a call from Steven Spielberg soon. Well, anyways, how have you coped up working with Siddharth? Have you had moments where you felt like pulling his hair, or
I lost my hair because of that.
Oh, there you go. Hair weaving. That's the next chapter. Let's make a movie on hair weaving, yeah?
Yeah, that's a good
how a director loses hair. But anyways, Khatta Meeta, how has the relationship been? This movie was made in 38 days?
Yes, exactly.
क्या रिसर्च करते हैं यार कोई मेरे लिए ताली बजा दो. Well, anyways, yes. So what has been your relationship?
So I
You guys
think
are working together. You can tell the
absolutely
audience,
the
about
kind
your
of
writing
partnership,
journey.
totally the kind of partnership that me and Siddharth share is devoid of any kind of competition, jealousy, envy. Touchwood, we are very blessed. Ego. We both are the biggest critics of each other, and we both are the biggest admirers of each other.
Love it.
And we fight the hell out of something that we are creating. But once we both have okayed it, nobody else in the world can touch it. Is what we feel.
If you ever see a black eye on Siddharth, you know who's the reason.
Absolutely.
But Siddharth, what about you? Do you bow down? Do you fight? Do you put your foot down? नहीं, मुझे ये framing ऐसी चाहिए. नहीं, ये scene ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. इसको cast नहीं करना था. मोनिका को किसी और को लेना था. Anything you?
Yeah, lots of things. Everything is a debate because it's two minds working together. It's never easy. But having said that, it's also a boon. That we get to bounce each other off the ideas, and we don't need a wall to bounce off our ideas. And I would say we go hand in hand. Like we don't have to exchange words. We just look at each other and we see, okay, decide, and then that's done.
That's chemistry.
Yeah,
Completely.
exactly.
Completely. I mean, it's uncanny how sometimes on a WhatsApp group, somebody sends something and suddenly end up finding the same flaw. We end up giving the same idea without having spoken to each other. So that makes it, I don't know how it's divine. I don't know how it comes.
Creativity is such a beautiful genre. Sometimes I sit down and I wonder, how can two people direct a film? How can there be two captains on a ship? How can there be two guys making music? Yeah, कभी-कभी मैं सोचता हूँ ये कैसे होता है, because imagine if there was another guy doing interviews with you while I'm doing it from here. How would that be? Like another Monty standing over there. But it's astrology. I mean, you believe, what's your zodiac?
Scorpion.
Scorpio.
You're also Scorpio?
I'm a Scorpio.
Oh God, I'm a Sagittarian.
Sagittarian. Sikandar Khair is also a Scorpion. I think we're missing him.
So is Monali Thakur.
Monali is
So
here.
are both are producers.
Both the producers.
क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है guys, this is a Scorpio gang happening over here. But on a scale of 1 to 10, let's be very honest, right? You said you both are critiques, right? So what would you give your own film if you had a time stone? This is a very beautiful question which I'm going to give it to you guys, and I hope I get different answers. Are you a Marvel fan?
Yes.
Imagine I'm Doctor Strange. I'm giving you both time stones, right? If you could go back in time, what is something you would change about Dukaan?
I would change nothing about Dukaan. We've made this film with all that we have. This is what we know, this is what we learned, this is what we wanted to make. We've dreamt of these frames over the years. We knew exactly this is how we wanted to make the film. Yes, we had a low budget, but we had a fantastic team. God bless our producers, Amar and Shikha. I won't change anything.
हमारा नया नेता कौन? गरिमा. What about you, brother? I hope I get I hope I get something from you.
You're looking for masala.
No, I'm not looking for masala. We all make blunders. We all make mistakes. You know, like sometimes it's not bad to regret
Right,
in life, man.
right.
Like if I could go back in time, I could do something differently. I'll tell you 1,000 things. So about this project, इन्होंने तो बहुत प्यारा आंसर दिया,
Right.
which is very political.
So basically, what I would like to change about Dukaan would be the prosthetic that we used.
Okay.
Then we wouldn't have to waste time on the
name,
VFX.
The name. Would you want to change the name?
Not at all. Not one bit.
Love it.
I'm talking about the belly prosthetic
I know
that we
the belly
used.
prosthetic.
Yeah.
This one, guys.
Yeah.
ये वाला.
But ये तो अभी बहुत अच्छा है. So I would have.
मेहनत करी है VFX.
We have done VFX. So that wasted about 8 months of our time in post production. So I would have wanted to change that.
And kept the same cast.
Oh,
Definitely.
absolutely.
Definitely.
Hands down.
Very well.
Same
said,
cast, same team,
Same cast,
Same
team,
everybody.
same interview at the red carpet. Well, guys,
same number of days to shoot,
same number of days. to
same
shoot.
number of budget, because we believe in क्या बोलते हैं,
Making reasonable films.
cost-effective dreams.
All right, guys, I want to wish Siddharth and Garima, they're smiling. I hope they keep smiling, you know, and they keep making good films. But I won't let them go that easily because I have to ask them a question. They have to give a message to all those people out there sitting in the US who want to become filmmakers, who want to become actors, who have dreams which are trapped in their restrooms and they can't come out. So, what message would you like? I'm going to give you the to give your final parting message.
Right.
To
Hi, this is Siddharth of Siddharth Garima. I would like to say to all the budding filmmakers, don't be scared to dream. Also, never wait for an actor. Just go and shoot your bloody film. That's what you need to do. You have to move your ass. Sorry, if I can use that language. Sorry, pardon my French. So you have to move your ass and shoot your film with non-actors, non-stars. I mean, just shoot them with good breed of actors, and you will make it one day.
Thank you. And now, for the one and only Garima, jo
Hamara Neta.
Hamara Neta. Hi, this is Garima of Siddharth Garima. And I want to tell you that when you dream of making a film, first of all, live with your dream long enough. Know that you want to make this, but the pet se aana chahiye. If I don't make this, I'll die. Test that for a good 1 year. If it doesn't leave you, go after it. Come what may. There was somebody who once announced that, you know what, Dukaan is not going to get made shelved. They put it in the papers. Sid and me went against the fine print. We are here today. Dukaan is releasing. And if we could bring it this far, I'm sure you can. Just stick to your word.
Absolutely, ladies and gentlemen, the all-inspiring Siddharth and Garima, and I wish them all the very best. Dukaan will be a hit. That's what my heart, my gut, my intuition says. I'm a Scorpio, she's a Scorpio, and I don't know about him because he's not a Scorpio. But there you go. But guys, watch Dukaan. If you're in the US, go to a movie theater, go to an AMC, go to a Cinemark, watch a movie which is made of dreams, watch a movie which is going to inspire you, a movie which talks about real life. It is fiction, but it's also non-fiction, but made, well put together. Keep watching The Monty Khan Show. I'll be back with more talent from Dukaan. All right, ladies and gentlemen, all the viewers of North America, what an honor and pleasure to be with the real tiger of India, Sunny Deol sir. It's a great day, sir. You know, movies on surrogacy are very rarely made, and this is one great effort that Siddharth and Garima put. I know you haven't seen the film, but what is your expectation when you're walking into the movie theater?
I know them very well because they worked with me on my lyrics in Pal.
Right.
I'm very fond of them, and I wish them all the best. So do go see the film.
One question, sir. I know you want to go. How difficult it is to make a film without a A-lister, without a big name in India, especially, and expect the audience to come into a movie theater?
So nothing is difficult. Everything is difficult, and nothing is difficult. It is just that you have to carry on working because life is difficult.
Life is difficult. Read, sir.
Everybody goes through difficulty, and somewhere God is kind to you, and we move ahead. But we have to keep working hard.
And you have to keep fighting. And any message for our audiences in the US? Love you. There you go, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're watching the Monty Khan Show across North America. I'm at the premiere of Dukaan, and as you see, I have these 4 beautiful ladies right here who play the role of surrogates. Let's get to know them. Let's get to know their adventure and their journey throughout this movie. How are you guys doing today? Would you like to introduce yourself, your real name, your character's name, and tell me something that you loved about this film in this entire process?
Okay, so I'm Tarika Tripathi, and I played the character of Sarojben, which is one of the surrogates. And we are all surrogates. I'd like everybody to introduce themselves. Yes.
My name is Soumya, and the character I was playing was Saruben. So my entire family, all the ladies in the family were doing surrogacy together. So that's how the character reveals.
Excellent. And you'll speak Gujarati in the film, right?
We all are Gujarati.
All Gujarati.
Yeah, from
Came to
Gujarat.
Majama.
So my name is Pooja, and I played Rashmi Bain in the film. I joined after the struggles and after Monica tries to get the industry back, get the women back, get the clients back. So I played a kind of role which was to the stronger side and which was ready to fight, and so it was quite a journey. It was fun.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
What about you?
My name is Krutisha Chovatia. Character name is Kamla Ben. ये फिल्म एक रोलर कोस्टर राइड है.
मैं यहाँ आ जाता हूँ. I try to do the roller coaster ride for Kamla Ben, मजा मचे.
रोलर कोस्टर राइड है ये फिल्म. प्लीज आप देखने चाहिए. हमारी जर्नी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल रही है. हम सेट पर भी फैमिली की तरह रहते थे. बहुत मजा आया सबके साथ.
आपको सिद्धार्थ और गरिमा के साथ काम करके कैसा लगा? Take it from you.
वो लोग बहुत काइंड और हम्बल है. वो सीन समझाते थे, हम करते थे. ब्यूटीफुली पिक्चराइज.
Yes. Kind और humbleness की क्या डिफाइन करोगे? काइंड और humbleness से पैसे तो मिले ना?
Kind and humble से ज़्यादा it was also कि there was a freedom to express our own selves.
Very nice, very nice.
So
that's what an actor
yeah, so उस वजह से क्या हुआ कि कोई बंधन नहीं था.
Beautiful.
So इतने अच्छे से we could come out as those characters which were explained to us by them.
You could be yourself.
We are all actually Gujarati actors.
Okay, there you go.
We are all Gujarati
I'm having
actors.
a roller coaster ride here.
Oh yes. So we speak Gujarati, and there's a lot of Gujarati language in the film as well.
Okay.
So we kind of try to pull it off in a positive way कि Gujarati usually it's taken the other way, but हमने बहुत अच्छे से वो accent और वो maintain करके along with Monica we also made sure कि गुजराती भी उतनी ही और गुजरात भी उतना ही आगे जाए.
The diction and everything. Yes.
गुजरात बॉलीवुड आ गया है अब.
Excellent, यार. Film Fair भी गुजरात में हुआ है. Gujarat is the state to talk about, and this is the great cast. I think we have an addition over there. Ekta was also there. Ekta ने पहले हमारे को join नहीं किया था. अभी वो एक हो गई हमारे साथ. So there you go. Ekta, what is the name of your character that you played?
Jamna Ben.
Jamna Ben.
Yes.
Kamla Ben.
Yes. Rashmi Ben.
Rashmi Ben.
Saruben.
Saruben.
Sarojben.
Monty भाई. तो इतनी बहनों के साथ there's one भाई. But guys, I'm sure that you will enjoy Dukaan. They have enjoyed Dukaan. How was your experience with Siddharth and Garima?
It was wonderful, and we really enjoyed working with them, and we were in the village, so that entire experience was really memorable, and we will not be forgetting it. Yeah.
You won't forget this.
I think I would
Out of the five of you, okay, go ahead. She wanted to add something.
I would like to add that one experience which we all will never forget. We used to wear prosthetic bellies in the film. Yeah,
Prosthetic bellies,
and
yeah.
it was so difficult. We didn't have our breaks, or we were really waiting that we cannot even have our washroom breaks because we have to wait, because to wear it and to remove it was a huge task. And 4 hours to get ready.
Just 4 hours.
4 hours to get ready.
No, not to remove, to get ready.
Get it
Get ready.
Overall, yes.
यानी अगर 9 o'clock का call time है तो आपको 6 बजे आना होता होगा.
Yes, 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 yes.
मेहनत करिए यार, guys. You have to watch this film to believe it.
Yes.
And they shot it in locations. You guys have traveled.
True story is from वसो. गुजरात आणंद में जो जगह है वसो करके एक गांव है, वहाँ की ही स्टोरी है, रियल स्टोरी है. पूरे गांव, उनकी सारी महिलाएं अपना गुजरान चलाने के लिए एक्चुअली सरोगसी करती थी. So this is a real story from that place.
Based on real incidents.
Based on true events.
And if you guys know that surrogacy is banned in 2021 because of, it was used commercially. So now there's been a ban. But, I've asked a lot of people, they feel that, do you feel surrogacy is a blessing or a curse? So one answer.
It depends on an individual person. जिनको बच्चे नहीं
One answer. Blessing or a curse?
A blessing indeed. A blessing.
So I would say it should be normalized and not a stigma. That stigma should be broken. That it is not a bad thing to do. It's a blessing. It's a good deed that one.
Choice. It's a personal choice.
And I would also like to add that it is not completely banned, but the government has imposed very stringent rules.
actually.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So they regulated it.
Absolutely. So on a scale of 1 to 10, आप दुकान कितनी बार देखोगे?
हम खुद हमारी फिल्म ऑलरेडी I think we like to ask audiences कि वो
I know. I was just trying to throw the curveball. But guys, दुकान खुल चुकी है. You guys have to watch दुकान wherever you are in the world. If you're in the US, go to an AMC, go to a Cinemac, go and watch दुकान. It's a beautiful story. It's a real life story. It's about fiction and non-fiction combined. And look at these beautiful women. They've had a good time. इन्होंने enjoy किया. And I'm sure आप भी enjoy करेंगे. Keep watching The Monty Khan Show. और साथ में मिलके बोलते हैं on a count of 1, 2, 3 we'll say दुकान together. 1, 2, 3 दुकान.